Today's video we're gonna be doing like the sound challenge. You have to make a sound with your mouth. So we're gonna jump straight into the video.
Okay, my turn first.
Okay.
First sound. What?
We're spot on, guys. That was a good one.
Your turn.
So your sound will be.
Right?
I can't get over it.
Huh?
I'll spray.
Next sound. Okay. Also, by the way, this was to donate for the Durban children that's having issues. So I donated 10 rand. That's where the bottles come from. Okay.
Do I do that sound or the sound?
The whole sound.
This is the one game I shouldn't be playing because I can't make sound effects. I can't make. Listen, guys, if there's one thing about me, is the fact that I can't make sound effects. And I don't know if you heard before, but like when I'm busy talking to you guys on YouTube or whatever, or explaining anything, I don't make sound effects because I can't. Imagine, did you? Yeah.
I'll give you another demonstration. Next sound.
Can you guys remember that word quickly? Can you guys remember that thingy? And then you do it with your toes. Can you remember that? And then
It's like karate kicking in there.
and then you turn it open with your feet. That's funny.
I saw that video. It was trending on TikTok. That's amazing.
Is it my turn to think?
It's your turn.
Your next sound is this one.
Look at that.
I can't. Okay.
Okay, next sound. It's easy. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, shucks.
You keep
Oopsie.
your head on top and then you
Oops.
take it off.
Okay.
I feel like the salt is so quiet that I have to whisper while doing this.
That's what you say there, dog. Go, boy.
Well, at least. Well, at least now you know I know how to call a dog.
It's like, no, when you say go bite, then you say.
Okay. Isn't that when you're busy charging the dog?
No.
Like when you charge the dog?
No, when you say go bite.
For my next magic trick, I have.
Huh? Xavier? Is that like... Oh, dude! That's a difficult sound!
And you were like, what is spoon?
You!
Every time I look at my hands, I'm just like.
Okay, next object. I have to go get this one quick.
I knew it. I low-key somewhat knew it because I was gonna use this thing.
The sound is.
Okay.
Just comment down below. Did that sound anything like a hair dryer?
Okay, I have an interesting one now, baby. I think this one is interesting. My hair is probably so. I can't even fix my hair because of my hands. I'm like,
Your hands, baby. I love your gloves. Where you get those?
My God.
Show them your gloves.
My God, I think this should have been the thumbnail. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, my next one is interesting. Oh, but you did the sound already, yeah?
Yes.
The pop-up, you forgot the pop-up.
I don't know. Okay, the next object is me. That should be an easy one.
I'm not doing that. That is not my song. That is not my song. I am not doing that. I'm not doing that.
The sound is...
I can do it. I can actually do it without putting my hand in my mouth.
Well done.
I did it. Okay.
Last sound, guys. I'm sure I can nail this one. What? Come on. Yeah.
Okay.
She can't
I
pick the
can't
object
pick
up.
up my object. That's a sound.
That didn't sound like a poop.
Can I do it again? Listen, guys. Listen.
Right, again?
I can't do it so nicely because my... I'm almost off the chair already. Thank you for watching. That was all for this video. See you in my next one.
Where you meet Mr. Sulky.
Okay. Love you.
The
Bye.
reason behind him